We all have a story to tell, thoughts we want to capture, and pieces of our journey we long to express. As we move through life, we gather memories and mementos that become woven into our personal narrative. In this class, let's create and unfold those stories together. You'll discover how to make an unbound mixed media art journal, exploring techniques to add layers and points of intrigue to every page. An unbound journal allows you to add and rearrange pages in your journal as you go. I'll guide you through incorporating text and images, helping you reveal your story in a way that's beautiful, authentic, and deeply meaningful. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just beginning to spread your creative wings, this class is accessible and welcoming to all levels. Join me and let's bring your story to life, one page at a time.